The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1154 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the footwell panel by matching the tabs with their catch.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.